Hi, welcome to Harmony with Su-Lynn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clone any part of the character rig that needs two sides, such as the eye, or the arms, or legs. If you have a character that has a symmetrical design, you can rig just one eye and clone the other eye, so it's identical. The asset you'll need is a rigged eye. For more details, you can watch my tutorials on invert cutting the eye and eyelid rig with deformers. Links are included in the video description below. Make a backdrop that allows you to move the nodes for the eye rig together. Click and drag to select the node. Go to the hamburger. From the drop-down menu, select Insert, Backdrop. We add a master peg by selecting the top pegs and hitting Command P. Name it. With the backdrop selected, go to the same hamburger icon. From the drop-down menu, select Nodes, Clone Selected Nodes, Drawings Only. Immediately, you can see it has cloned all the front eye rig. Grab the cloned eye from the backdrop and shift it to the right side of the front eye. Rename the backdrop. I'm going to call this the back eye and choose a different color for the backdrop. We can go ahead and connect that to the composite. We select on the backdrop, go to Tool Properties and select Flip Horizontal. We can see the front and back eye now, and our character has two eyes. Let's test this out. Shortcut R resets the peg to the original position. Oops, what's happened here is because we've cloned the back eye from the front eye, it resets to the position of the front eye. How can we fix that? I'll undo so the cloned back eye is where we want it. And we'll add a static transformation node. The static transformation node is a constraint and can be used to act as a sort of resting position for an element. We can attach that under the master back eye peg. Open up the layer properties for the static transformation node. Select Bake Immediate Parents Transformation. Don't worry, it will seem to disappear. Select the peg, hit R, and it will reset to the position for the back eye. We can test that out and move the eye somewhere and hit R, and it will reposition itself. Set the rotation point. You might have noted that I didn't set the rotation point for the front eye. That's because I wanted the cloned back eye to flip on the horizontal. I can now put in the rotation point for the front eye. That's it for cloning for any character parts that are a pair. Take your rigging skills to the next level. Check out my tutorials on rigging the mouth and rigging the hair. See you next time.